Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm going to do a little organization video where I share how I tackle a very neglected part of my home and get this space organized and clean. This video is part of a challenge being hosted by Debra from Therapeutic Designs by Debra, and the challenge is called Under the Counter Organization. Debra does a lot of decor and organization videos. They are truly inspirational. Do check out her channel. I'll put a link to Debra's channel and her playlist in the description box below, where you can get more ideas regarding decor and organization. I love to do a lot of DIYs, decor, home, recipes, out, travel, everything in a budget. If you love such content, if you love trash to treasure, if you love to pick up something very ordinary and turn it into useful and beautiful item, please hit the red subscribe button given below the video and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. Sharing with you the before picture. Now this is a space in my bedroom. As I've always said, this is a rental house. We cannot do much hardcore changes in the house. Now this was meant to be a dressing area, and the previous renters had put up a wooden block maybe for mounting a wall mounted TV, but we don't keep a television in the bedroom, so I changed the space by making a shelf over this wooden block which I could not remove. So I've added a shelf there for keeping daily underwears up there, so it's easy to access, and socks and stuff like that. On the wooden block I added a curtain, a rod, and we can hang our daily coats, school uniforms and things like that. Now because the mirror is somewhere else, I cannot use this space as a dressing table, but the below counter has got a sliding glass pane shelf or a counter or a cabinet and has got two drawers. I keep some toiletries, some cosmetics in this cabinet, which is of not immediate use, which I don't use on a daily basis but can be used in the near future, are stored here. In the drawers, my daughter's hairbands, clips, accessories, bracelets, badges, they are there in the drawers. Now because this area is not in daily use, this area tends to get cluttered over time and is neglected. So today I'm going to tackle this space. To begin any organization and cleaning video, first thing, take away all that is there from the surface and bring it out. I took everything down and laid it down on the floor to get an idea of what all things I have here, so that I can sort them out into items which will stay here and which will have to go. So things which are to be discarded and things that do not belong to this area have to go. So once I took those things away, I again sorted out this space, these items into small groups as to how they would be organized. Now I don't buy specific baskets for organizing. I use disposable food container, which can plastic containers or cardboard boxes which are got a good neat structure, or small gift boxes. I use them for organizing my drawers and cabinets. Inexpensive way. Once they are spoiled, just toss them away. You don't spend, but you make a tidy space. And these cabinets are not in direct view, so I don't have to make them very decorative at the same time. So I found a lot of cosmetics. Some I took them out for daily use. The rest, which will have to be stored away, will be kept together. Having sorted out these items, I found 2 containers which are empty now. One can be used for decor. The other, if I don't find any use of it, will go to the recycling center. Now this is some of the trash which is going away from the place, and this is all the things that will go inside. The next thing that I did was cleaning this whole area. So as always, I start from top to bottom because dust tends to settle down. So starting from the top, I go till the bottom. I cleaned every space, the cabinet, the shelf, the drawers. I have my drawers lined with brown paper. It's always necessary to pull out the drawers, clean it, because you will be amazed to find the amount of dust that has accumulated behind the drawers inside the cabinets. So once everything is clean, I'll put everything back in a neat order. Now let me show you how the space looks. This space looks far neater than what it was before. The surface is empty and clean, and I intend to keep it empty like this. The inside is well organized. Let me give you a closer look. Here are my toiletries and cosmetics neatly organized, so I know what I have and I can take them out on time instead of having to run to the market because I don't know what I have in my stash. Here are the drawers, and I've organized them neatly so that my daughter also can keep it neat, because she knows what comes from where and what has to go back where. So I am happy with the result of how this organization and cleaning turned out. I hope you liked this video as well. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and write down your comments. I would love to read them. And if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.